Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar capital renamed to Sri Vijayapuram, announces Amit Shah. KHADC bans anti-beef campaigns amid upcoming protests. Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority holds National Lok Adalat. RBYF Umden Circle exposes shortcomings at Umden PHC, demands immediate action. The news in detail. In a significant move, the Union government has renamed Port Blair, the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, to Sri Vijayapuram. Union Home Minister Amit Shah announced the change, reflecting the Narendra Modi government's aim to honour the region's historical and cultural heritage and to erase colonial legacies. Shah highlighted that the new name symbolises the victory in India's freedom struggle. The Khasi Hills District Council has declared that it will no longer authorize groups to campaign against beef consumption in the state. This move follows plans by the Gau Dhwaj Sthapana Bharat Yatra group to protect cow and to deem it sacred on 2nd October 2024. Chief Executive Member Panyat Singh Saem stated that the council will inform the state government and local authorities to reject such initiatives. Saem underscored that beef is a traditional staple in Khasi culture and external groups should not impose their dietary practices on the region.
Kunjo, Baka District Council, Nangni Shakman, Kakam Persha, Yakino Nuki Kenhon, Lani Kibrio, Kibawan, Ban Yalap, Ban Kang Bam Dok Masi, Hangni for Rijungi. Dangshen Nilai E, Yakawe Kakenhon, Kaba tip kum ka gau patishta kaba lawan bandrung hang ni po jela jungi ban sedang ban yalap yakani te nakalyang jungi nilapan kre ka jingtho shaka state government babaro ki district administration kin Tiak lakam ya kum kini ki kenhon ni ki breu ki ba wan yalap.
The Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority conducted the National Lok Adalat across various courts in the state today. In Shillong, the Lok Adalat took place at the district court, successfully resolving several pre-litigation and ongoing cases. Lok Adalat, also known as the People's Court, is an alternative dispute resolution mechanism designed to settle disputes outside the traditional court system. It addresses both pending and pre-litigation cases with a large number of parties participating and resolving their issues appropriately. The Khasi Students' Union, through the Sports and Cultural Cell today, has felicitated the runners-up of the Under-17 Subroto Cup, which is the Menken Second Christian Higher Secondary School from Ribhoi District. District Sports Officer Bobby L. Nongbet, Vice President Lambok Rimbai, along with the other members of the organization, family members of the players, were present at the event, which was held at Indoor Stadium, Nongpo. Speaking to the media, Banplebok Khongjo, the best player, has expressed his happiness that he got the best player and is selected for further training at Germany.
Silakai jingkir compare kamu kajuk han rabat lah Meghalaya sini kai yang hadin saposi dalam bangsa sakwanya sampai masa kemen nabarot itu tikit tanya dengan so kemen syai kan kita ayo salat henti datang tai.
Yesterday, Hamlet Son Dotling, Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister and former MLA of Milem, inaugurated a monument to mark the upgrade of Madan Maroit UP School to a secondary school in Maroit, Eastern West Khasi Hills District. The event was attended by Jambor War, MDC of Mauthat Rashan, and Batskem Rintathiang, MDC of Mairang, alongside committee members, teachers, students and other guests. Dotling announced a financial contribution of 10 lakh rupees to support the construction of the school's building, emphasizing the need for further development to enhance educational services.
Paglagsaan ko sa bahay, in persyang mga ikam bamantoy, bat ikam berbah nam takit nam salang jongi. Pagsisya, nakiyang juga, abang apa yang pergi ke school, kalau iya kecil ke school. Kumlang mantap enrollment dalam dua kumba arspa lai pun. Kilai kecil sekri, ya kasnong betal. Hal berain bat kejenang kecil jombi. Wat nam so marway. Kumba district, kasnong kebalang, berkamdam ke school. Pagpilih nam takakam kumba dan bon ba berwan banyak perkasaan.
Leaders of the Reboy Youth Federation, Umden Circle, conducted a surprise inspection at the Umden Primary Health Center today, uncovering serious deficiencies. The inspection revealed a lack of essential supplies and inadequate patient services. RBYF Umden Circle President Founders Aim stated that inspection was driven by numerous public complaints about the facilities condition. Same urged that these issues be reported to doctor in charge and other relevant authorities, emphasizing the need for improvements in healthcare services.
Ba Umden ka public toilet ka babiang ne na mata kita pajba jong kane ka dong kathan Umden jongi baro hi kawe banwan sim dawai ne hapo Umden PHC Umden ka public toilet ka babiang Andre ngila keliru na doktor iong ba hoy kade sisa kata ba Umden hadu menta ka public toilet na banta pajba bawan sim dawai man kasni ngibu ro dari jingtho ngila ai ro yang si seki ban ngibut lang ya kane kam bat ka baar ka poin galong ba ngi kerpat nakapor sa kapor nilayo ka complain ba kini ki doktor bat kinos kim ai ka kajing sumar ka biang na manta ki bathia pang hang ne hapo hospital adai ki bawan thia hang ne da dai ki bawan dagoi kajing pang la ne ki ba ki long kemi ki ba armet nilayo complain sibun na ba bat ngila wan hang ne kasi ngi kerpat ni doktor ngila ai ro daging tho kata ka wai.
As the single-phase assembly elections in Haryana approach, the campaign has gained momentum. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a public rally in the state. The Bharatiya Janata Party has unveiled a list of 40 star campaigners for the polls, featuring prominent leaders such as Modi, Party President JP Nadda, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah and Nitin Gadkari. Meanwhile, the Indian National Congress has also announced its roster of 40 star campaigners, which includes top figures like Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. Yesterday, junior doctors in Kolkata continued their protest near Swasthya Bhawan in the Salt Lake area, demanding justice for a trainee doctor raped and murdered at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. In response, West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee urged the doctors to resume their duties, emphasizing her commitment to justice for the victim and the well-being of ordinary citizens. The second district Kho-Kho competition was held on July 12 to 13, 2024 at Madan Kinshi, Palun. Organized by the Eastern West Khasi Hills District Kho-Kho Association and the District Sports Officers Office, the event featured open demonstrations and competitive matches. Participants competed in this to be selected for the East Zone, led by Lil Star Academy, and the West Zone, led by United Academy. The selected players will advance to represent their districts in the Meghalaya Games 2025. The The Shillong Local Trade Fair, showcasing bamboo crafts, clothing and handmade products, runs monthly to uplift local business. Nadia Dakhar of Fabulous Family Store noted strong participation and positive feedback from entrepreneurs. Supported by Prime Minister Meghalaya, the fair continues until Wednesday with a break on Sunday. India defeated Pakistan by 2-1 in their final group stage match at the Asian Champions Trophy in Ulaanbaatar, China. Pakistan took an early lead with a goal from Nadeem, but Harmanpreet Singh equalized with a penalty corner and then scored again in the second quarter. Despite efforts from both sides, the score remained 2-1 as India maintained their unbeaten record in the tournament. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 25.5 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature at 18.3 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 77%, while in the evening was 66%. Forecast states light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. And now, before we end up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar capital renamed to Sri Vijayapuram, announces Amit Shah. KHADC bans anti-beef campaigns amid upcoming protests. Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority holds National Lok Adalat. RBYF Umden Circle exposes shortcomings at Umden PHC, demands immediate action. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Thank you for watching and good night.